Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make a simple chicken snack recipe and I named it as chicken parcel. You can make the veg version of it by simply replacing chicken with some vegetables. So first let's make the parcel filling. Saute some onion in some oil. Add some finely crushed ginger and garlic. You have to saute it until it changes its color. Now add in the spices like red chili powder, cumin powder, pepper powder and some garam masala. Saute it really well. Add in some finely chopped bell pepper, some salt and mix it. I'm adding the cooked chicken which is already having salt and pepper, so add salt accordingly. Finally add the cooked and shredded chicken. Saute it really well so that all the spices and the chicken will get nicely mixed up. Finally add some coriander leaves, mix it really well and turn off the flame. Now for the outer part of the parcel, take some all-purpose flour, add in some sugar and salt, 2 eggs, little bit of melted butter and some milk. Now blend this really well and make it into a smooth batter. Now to make the sheets, add some butter in a pan. Pour around half a cup of this batter. On a medium flame, cook both the sides. I made around 6 to 7 sheets. Now let's get into the final steps. Take each sheet, add the chicken filling, I also added some cheese. Also make a paste with flour and water. Now you have to fold the sheets and make it into a parcel shape. To seal the folds, you can use this paste. Now our one chicken parcel is ready. You can use different folding methods to make this snack. You can use samosa foldings or just roll it and make this. Our chicken parcels are ready. You can have it just like this, but I'm gonna toast these parcels in some butter so that the outer covering will turn slightly crispy and also the cheese in the filling will get melted. You can make these parcels ahead of time and toast it just before serving. Our super tasty chicken parcels are ready. This snack is a really good filling and kids will just love this. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and do watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.